Hi friends, welcome back to my channel SciTaker. In this I'm going to do the Apex Legends mobile gameplay and FPS drop test in the Realme X Max device. Right now as you can see, this is a Realme X Max which I'm trying to use in this video for the demonstration, and I'm getting so many comments as well asking me to upload a video on this Apex Legends mobile in this Dimensity 1200 testing out. So what will happen with the overall FPS and what is the highest FPS you can get in this Dimensity 1200 processor, and that's what I'm going to discuss in this video, demonstrating all the capabilities of this device. And I'll try to use with the maximum settings as well while performing this test. Only then we'll be able to understand what's going on, right? That's the main reason I'm trying to use the maximum settings. Right now the game is about to load. Now let's go and let's start the match. So let's go back and let's start the match. Let's see. So what will happen with the real-time FPS, and you can see the real-time FPS statistics as well from this floating FPS meter. And we'll try to do the quick FPS drop test as well in the Apex Legends mobile. Right now as you can see friends, let me to go to the settings and let's enable the maximum settings as well in the graphics. So yes, everything has been set to the maximum. So 60 FPS I'm trying to play right now. And let's find out friends, playing with the 60 FPS, what will happen overall with the FPS as well. Keep it slightly focus. Yes, now it's kind of focusing, I guess. Let's do the FPS drop test in this location. Right now as you can see, we're getting about 59 FPS. Four, 60 FPS, not bad with overall maintaining FPS in the Dimensity 1200 chipset. Average it's maintaining about 57, average 57 and 58. This is a quick demonstration friends in the Dimensity 1200 processor. I'm not getting any kind of haptic feedback while performing this test.
I have an extended sniper mag here. Level 3. Contact here. Reloading.
So overall friends, FPS rate maintained pretty stable and pretty good, right? Not bad. So it's a quick FPS drop test, and in the Realme X Max device overall it's kind of maintaining pretty stable.
Recharging shields. Reloading. The hunt begins.
So meanwhile signing off friends, thank you for watching. This is a quick information about the FPS.
Stop here. Level 3. Reloading. Recharging.
So until then signing off, and thank you for watching, and bye. This is a quick demonstration regarding the gameplay overall experience, and definitely it's kind of not bad with the, even with the high settings you're able to get pretty good FPS as well.
Replicator being delivered.
Reloading.
Until then signing off friends, thank you for watching, and bye.